Hey Rusty, for somebody to register with you, they would simply go to your site here, .live.clinic, hit register, put their name in, email address, tick the time zone if appropriate. If probably for you it will be. I'm going to put in test 1, 2, 3, 4 for me, so I'm just becoming one of your clients. Agree. Get started. I will now have received an email to say, hey, what you want to do, and it also logs me straight through. So I've just made these real quick. So now what I would actually do is I would schedule a video call. Look for your time. So I went into your availability for tonight. Jason here, I'll change that. I just choose 8 p.m. Schedule appointment. And that's it. So basically then, if I've logged out, so let's say that we send it to this guy now, all he's going to do now is he's going to go back in. If we set it up for him on his email, his own email, he's just going to go back into login. He's going to log in as Carl. But he would log in as his own. Get started. Go into the back end. That's it. All right. Look for upcoming appointments. Here it is. Upcoming view. Hit start. He'll have to do the allow because on the camera side, because it's the first time he'll do it. And there we go. I'm up, and then he will come up over here. So pretty simple. But if you give me his email, I can actually log him in and register him, and then all he has to do is log in once, and that's it.